welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Irene, and today we're going to make a really yummy from scratch recipe. So we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies from scratch, but as a bonus, we're going to be making some CBD Peppermint chocolate chip cookies. So we're going to make 2 different batches in this one video, and stay until the end to get the special ingredient for the Peppermint CBD. I'm going to use 2 drops of My Soul CBD, and that is the only brand of CBD that I use, the only brand that I trust, and I feel like you have to do your own research when it comes to CBD companies. So many companies out there put other things in it and you don't know what you're getting, but I love this company and they make really good flavors. So I'm just going to go ahead and put whole droplet full. So here's a little tip. If your hands end up being really dry and it's like crumbly, just spray a little of your coconut oil on your hands as you roll, and then that'll just keep the ball intact. So we've moved on to regular chocolate chip cookies. All of these are the peppermint. So now I'm just going to roll these up, and these can be any size you want, but we've got a lot here, so I may be making some big ones. So keep rolling, and then I'll see you after we put these into the oven. Okay, so our cookies are all done, and now it's time to do the taste test. They look so good and fluffy. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video and you really are excited to make your own CBD peppermint chocolate chip cookies, then make sure you share this recipe with all of your friends. Try it out. Leave me a comment below and let me know how you liked it. All right, time to dig in. The best part. So it's totally up to you. If you want to bake these for 10 minutes, that is what you should do if you like them very soft. I actually did 15 minutes because they were not hard enough and I was like, I'm not sure. So it's up to you. Definitely make sure that you watch them, and before you're getting ready to put them in the oven, just make sure that you are really quick about it because they will dry out. Okay, I will see you in our next video. Bye!